Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today in this video we'll see how to do an import and export of the password saved in Google Chrome browser. So for example, if you have bought a new computer and you want to transfer the old password saved in the old computer to the new computer, then this is what you have to do. For that, open the Google Chrome, then go to the three dot here, go to the settings, autofill and password, open the Google Password Manager, then go to the settings. Here you can export the password, just click on download the file. Then you have to put your password. Finally, the password is downloaded. Now, what you have to do is take this file in the pen drive or through any online channel. Then go to the new computer and click on import passwords. Then select the files, open it, and then click on replace. So this is how you can export and import the password in Google Chrome browser from the old computer to the new computer. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video.